Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test between a Samsung Galaxy A10s versus a Samsung Galaxy A20. And A20 comes with the Exynos 7884 processor, while the A10s on the other hand comes with a MediaTek Helio P22 processor. So let's get right into it. So starting off by booting both phones up at the same time. And A10s comes with a 2 GB RAM, while the A20 comes with a 3 GB RAM. So let's see who is going to be the fastest one when it comes of booting speed. And Samsung Galaxy A20 is faster there, and A10s now it is also done about 1 or 2 second difference there between both of these phones. And 720p Super AMOLED display on the A20 versus a 720p IPS LCD on the A10s. So let's see the apps opening speed. So everything is closed up in the background, and we are fresh start phone dialer first application faster on the A20. A10s is also right behind there. Settings faster on the A20 again, and A10s is also right behind. My clock, that is faster on the A20 and followed by the A10s as well. Calendar, that is again little bit quicker on the A20. So my files on both phones, and that is again faster on the A20, and A10s is also right behind. And you can see, and the system based application is faster on the A20, little bit quicker there. So let's see some games applications. So first we have is the Candy Crush. And Samsung Galaxy A20 is faster there, and now A10s is also done about 2 second difference there. So next up is the Subway Surfer. And Samsung Galaxy A20 is done, and followed by the Samsung Galaxy A10s. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, showing the loading page first. And Samsung Galaxy A20 is faster again there. And Samsung Galaxy A20 is faster there, and A10s is a little bit slower compared to the A20. I noticed some lags with my 1 day usage on the A10s. This phone is not very smooth as the Samsung Galaxy A20. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera, faster on the A20, and A10s is right behind. A20 comes with a dual cameras on the back, normal with a ultra wide versus a normal with a depth sensor, no ultra wide that we have seen on the A20. So let's see the internet browsing speed, and I am using the Google Chrome on the A20 because I don't have Samsung internet browser on the A20 versus a Samsung internet browser on the A10s. So first website is the wikipedia.org, same Wi-Fi network on both phones and very fast on both phones. You guys are the judge of the speed test. So next up is the apple.com, and that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A10s, and A20 is also done, and you can see, and the scrolling is very smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in out, and you can see no lag whatsoever, very smooth performance on both phones. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement. A20 comes with a 3 GB RAM, while the A10s comes with a 2 GB RAM. And let's see the settings that got also refresh again on the A10s, and that got refresh on both phones, refresh again on both phones. My files, that is not refresh on the A20, refresh, again refresh, and that is not refresh on the A20. But so far A10s is very bad in the RAM measurement, and you can see. So overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A20, little bit faster there. A10s is right behind to the A20. RAM management is little bit good on the A20 compared to the A10s. All the application is refreshed on the A10s. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Samsung Galaxy A10s versus a Samsung Galaxy A20. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.